Welcome students, in the video unit 2 map reading. இது வந்து 7th standard term 3ல social bookல geography அப்படிங்கிற தலைப்புல இந்த லெசன் இருக்கு. இந்த லெசனுடைய புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். Evaluation, choose the correct answer. First question பார்க்கலாம். The science of map making is called cartography. Second, north, south, east and west are 4 directions are called as cardinal. Third one, cultural maps are those who choose the dash man-made features. At the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks first one, dash. Map is an essential tool of a geographer. Second one, the directions in between the cardinal directions are the intermediate direction. That one, legend in a map which explains the different colors and symbols used in it. Fourth, cadastral maps are known as village and town maps. Fifth one, small scale maps are helpful to use to show large areas like continents and countries. Next one, circle the order. Circle the order. First, north, east, scale, north, west and east. Scale. The second one, white snow, high land and plains. That one, relief map, soil map, physical map and atlas. Atlas. This is the art one map. Weather forecasting, climate, rainfall and temperature. Climate. This mark. Next, match the following. Upper right corner N letter. Key or legend natural relief feature. Large scale map first upper right corner N letter. Key or legend colors and symbols. Large scale map district or town. Physical map natural relief feature. Population map density and growth. Mark பண்ணிருங்க. Next, examine the following statements. First, an atlas is a bound volume of different types of maps. Second, atlas maps are drawn on small scale. Third, inscription details are omitted. D, first, second and third are correct. Second statement, first, globe is a 3-dimensional model of Earth. Statement second, it is easy to handle and to carry as it can be rolled up or folded. Statement first is correct and second is wrong. Is right. Name the following. First, representing in the earth on a flat surface map. Next, ratio between the distance on a map and distance on the ground is on the scale. And the symbols which help to show roadways and railways. Roadways code, railways code. A book which contains different kinds of maps. Atlas. A map which shows administration divisions. Political map. Next, answer the following. What is a map? Page number 165. 165 map is here. This details. First question, 7th first question answer. Second question, what is cartography? 166 in the box and the full second question answer. 7th second question. That one, what are cardinal directions? 169. 169 in the rendu line that question answer. 7th that question answer. Fourth question, what is an atlas? 166. 166 atlas is idhula aarambichi adhe page la atlas varaikum fourth question answer. Fifth question, name the types of atlas. 166. 166 in the types mattum the heading mattum eludunga. School atlas, advanced atlas, regional atlas, national atlas. தலைப்பு மட்டும் 5th question answer. 6. What are the uses of maps? 169. 169 இருக்கா uses of maps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points. 6 question answer. Answer the details. First question, what are the elements of maps? Write about it. 167, 168 இருக்கு. 167 elements of maps இருக்கா. இதிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு இதிலிருந்து இந்த டாபிக் எழுதிருங்க. அதில் இந்த டாபிக் எழுதி இதிலிருந்து இது வரைக்கும். அடுத்து ஸ்கேல் இதிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு இது வரைக்கும். 168 இதிலிருந்து இது வரை. First question answer. Second question, what are the 3 ways of representation of maps? 165. 165 இந்த ஒரு paragraph full second question answer. Next, that question, classify the maps based on functions. 166, 167. 166 maps on basis of content. இதிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு physical maps, எல்லா maps, relief maps, geological maps, climatical maps, soil maps, cultural maps, political maps, population maps, economic maps, transportation, geometric maps. இந்த மாதிரி எல்லா தலைப்பும் நீங்கள் போட்டுட்டு அதோடைய விளக்கத்தை எழுதணும். இதுதான் that question ஆன்சர். 8th that question. 4th question, write about comparison of map and globe. 169. 169 இந்த டேபிள் காலம் ஃபுல்லாமே 4th question ஆன்சர். 8th 4th question. 5th question, describe the types of maps based on the scale. Write about it. 166. 166 இதிலிருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு இந்த மேப் எல்லாமே எழுதி இது வரைக்கும் 4th இது வரைக்கும் 5th question. 8th 5th ஆன்சர். இதிலேருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சுங்க. எல்லா டாபிக் போட்டு நீங்கள் விளக்கம் எழுதுங்க. The words map is an essential tool for a traveler. Why? இதுக்கு அந்த ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். இந்த ஆன்சர் மார்க் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. Okay student, next வீடியோவில் சந்திக்கலாம். Thank you.